cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing an one brand makeup with Aden. I don't know who of you are following me on Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's gonna be down here, go and follow. Anyway, there I had some stories where I received a box from Aden Cosmetics. Aden Cosmetics is a Hungarian-based makeup brand, cruelty-free, of course cruelty-free. And recently they start being there in Sweden, so they sent me a PR box. I have a lot of their products and I haven't tried them yet. I have done some swatches, I want to be honest with you. They look very promising and I want to do a one brand makeup using only their products. So if you want to know more about this brand and you want to see my makeup, let's start! As always, I'm gonna start from my eyes, and as a base I'm gonna use this one right here. This is the Cream Camouflage. This is a concealer slash base. It's very pigmented and promising, so I really want to use it and see how it performs on my eyes. So I will start my eye look using neon pigments. Yes people, neon pigments, because of course they sent me a palette like this one right here, which is a very beautiful palette for smoky eyes and stuff like that. But in the package they had sent me these two babes, like pigments, neon pigments. How can I resist using neon pigments? So I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is the number 39 Neon. I think its name has to do something with red. I'm gonna check it up and I will update you. But anyway, I'm gonna take a very small brush. I will go there at my outer corner and I will try to create a circlish shape. Okay, I checked the name and the name is Neon Vivid Red. And now I'm gonna take the Neon Vivid Red, I'm gonna fill out that semicircle that I drew, and then I'm gonna blend it out with this pigment right here. Of course I'm going with neons, of course. This is Neon Vivid Yellow and you will see what I'm gonna do. First impressions for the pigments, like wow, I am amazed. Can you see what I see? They are so beautiful. They are of course so pigmented, so neon, so wow. At this point I wish I had a UV lamp to try them fully and properly. I don't know, I have nothing similar at my collection, and believe me, I have a huge collection, but I've never seen this vibrancy, especially the neon yellow. Like, oh my god, I'm so much in love. I'm gonna use them like every day at my normal makeup, for doing stuff, for going to supermarket. They are great. So next step, I'm gonna continue with glitter. Of course, like you're watching my channel, what were you expecting? Now I'm gonna use another pigment, this one right here. This is called White, and I'm gonna fill the gap inside there, because then I'm planning to add some dark blue. So I want to do a very smooth transition, and for this purpose I'm gonna use this one with a very tiny brush, like this one right here, and I will apply some under my eyebrow area. So let's see how it performs. I am so happy from the white pigment, and I feel that it can be used as a highlighter very well, because it gives that wet look, that shine. I don't know if you can see. here on the camera, that wet look that I'm talking about. Also, if you were wondering with what I sprayed with, so this is the Makeup Fix spray and primer, again from Aden. We are doing one brand today. And now I'm gonna continue with a dark blue. This is number 14 pigment, and it's a very nice dark blue with some shimmer inside. And I'm gonna apply it here in the inner part of my eye. And I know that this is a little bit unconventional, but I mean, look at the whole eye look. But I feel that this, with some glitter on top, it's gonna give that look, that next level appearance. So, let's go! It is beautiful, look at it! Look how nicely it blended with the highlighter, the white pigment that I told you. Like, I'm so happy with it. I don't know, what's your opinion, A, about extreme contrast like this one, and B, about doing, you know, the unconventional way of doing the darker part inside and the lightest part outside. I would love to hear what are you thinking about this. Now, I'm gonna use the palette right here. This is number 2, Smoky, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's Smoky, it says here so. And I'm gonna take this one, which is kinda very dark blue grayish, in order to be able to connect the lightest part with the dark part. And I will see if it needs to be kinda lighter. I will mix it with some other colors, but first I wanna use it as it is. So, is glitter and shine ever enough? No, people, they are not. That's why I'm taking some glitter glue and I'm planning to apply their glitter powder. This is number 22. I think the name is Atlantis. It's a very, very nice light blue with some greenish sparkle, and I feel it's gonna be great for my inner corner. An advice here is not to use glitter directly close to your eye area. Not only from Aden, in general it's not very, very recommended. I think that I don't have any issues, but I don't recommend it to you. Like, you can do it on your face, on your body, nails, whatever, but try to avoid eyes directly. Or if you do it with your own responsibility. I have told you not to do it. I think that glitter changed the whole eye look completely. What's your opinion? What do you think about that? So, if you think that I have finished now, no, you are mistaken. I have some extra steps to do. Like, I have some tiny stars here. I don't know if you can see that they are stars. I don't know if the camera is focusing enough for this thing. Anyway, so I'm taking again an amount of my glue that I already have at my eye. No, this is hand, people. Anyway, an amount of glue that I already have on my hand, and then I will go at the neon part of my eye and I'm gonna make it a little bit more sparkly and extra and happy. As you can see, I finished with my eye look. What do you think? I love it because it combines the contrast of the neons, but on the other side I have the dark blue, and I feel that it's in a very, very weird way balanced, in my mind at least. Write down in the comments, is it balanced for you as well? Anyway, so I also decided to not put false lashes today because I have a lot of things are going on. And I'm kinda afraid that with an eyelash I will cover everything. I didn't want so. So I used some mascaras. They are not from Aden, so I'm not gonna mention in this video. Also, I fixed my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I used this matte brown right here from their palette. Unfortunately, they don't have names, so I cannot refer to them by names, but it's this one right here anyway. And now I'm going to start my face. I'm reading here that their fixing spray is also a prime spray, this one right here. So instead of using any kind of primer, I'm gonna spray my face with this one. And as you saw already, I used it to spray the eyeshadows, the pigments, and I'm in love with the way that it sprays. It's so soft, it doesn't destroy anything. It's not like a tornado or a tsunami, so you don't have your existent makeup destroyed, which I really appreciate, because usually I got very aggressive sprays and I don't really enjoy them. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Full HD High Definition Full Coverage Fluid Foundation. I'm kind of afraid that this is way too dark for my skin tone, but we will see. I think this is the second shade. Yeah, it's kind of dark. I think that I can fix it, but just to know, this is number 2, Ivory number 2. So if you are at my skin tone or even lighter, just prefer the first one, number 1, because I feel that this might be perfect. Yes, as I told you, it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but it's fine because it's not as dark as I had it in my mind, so it's definitely workable. Now, as a foundation, it says that it is full coverage, and it is full coverage. It can cover even your sins. It's very nice. Now I'm gonna go with the base again, Cream Camouflage, and I'm gonna use it as a concealer to highlight some spots, because if you can see, this is lighter, way lighter. So I'm gonna put some under my eye area and around my nose, and then I will continue the makeup. I should say, I'm very pleased with Cream Camouflage. Usually I have dark circles because I don't sleep well. If I sleep well, I'm perfectly fine. But these days I'm not sleeping very well, so whatever I'm putting, the dark circles are coming on the surface again. And I'm like, but why? I just covered you. But with this one, I feel that my dark circles are bye-bye. So if you can see here, you cannot see the circles anymore. So yeah, this is my favorite product probably. If that can cover my circles, I love it. Like, I don't need anything else. Now, I'm gonna do some highlighter, and the highlighter will be again the same pigment, because I don't know if I made it clear. Like, wow, it's great. So I'm going with a bigger brush, this one right here. I'm taking an amount, and then I will spray a little bit. And this was the first layer of highlighter. So this is kinda way too cold toned for my makeup. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. It's the Terracotta Baked highlighter. It's a very nice bronzy one. Like, I can imagine myself being in Greece at summer when my skin will be more bronzed from the sun, and wearing this and going out. Like, my god, this is an absolute dream for me right now. So I'm taking the same brush, and I will go very gently, because I tried it and it's so pigmented, and I don't want that full pigmentation. I just want a little bit warmer highlighter on my face, just to balance it with the eye look. So, just a little tiny bit. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. It's very good. It's very good, I must say. And then of course on the top I will go again with the whiter one. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So, as you probably understood, I'm amazed by the neon pigments. I have already told you the word for pigments, so today I'm gonna tell you the word for neon. In Greek, we say phosphoroucha. Say with me, phosphoroucha. Of course, I said it in plural, so if you want to use it in singular, it's phosphoroucho and not phosphoroucha. So that's the difference. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word phosphoroucho or phosphoroucha, whatever you like. And also, if you want to tell me this word in your own native language, that would be perfect. Last but not least, I have to apply my lipstick. So here we have the liquid lipstick, long-lasting hydrating lip color. This is in the shade 08. It's a very nice warm toned red, and oh, it smells like cherry. It's so good. So I don't know, I have very high expectations for this product. I'm gonna apply it on my lips and I'm gonna tell you. I don't know if they actually expected me to use the neon pigments, but I feel that this liquid lipstick is going great with the full eye look. Like, I don't know, it's the perfect orangey red color that I could have used. But I haven't finished yet. I'm gonna take the highlighter again and I'm gonna give some dimension to my lips. So, taking the highlighter, taking a tiny brush right here, like this one, and I will go just to the heart to give some extra glow. I'm gonna finish this makeup look by using again the Makeup Prime and Fixing Spray. And now I will tell you my opinion. So, I liked so much everything that I have tried. They picked the products like especially for me and my preferences, I feel. All the pigments were great, the glitter was great. I have one more glitter in this amazing color. Unfortunately, I couldn't use it in this makeup, but I definitely promise that I will use it because if I judge by the blue one, this should be great. My favorite product though, I would say that this is the Cream Camouflage. It's great, it can cover. This thing can cover it. It doesn't play jokes or something. It's great. I love their foundation as well. Fortunately, it wasn't as dark as I initially thought, but still it's not perfect for my skin tone. It's a little bit darker, but I'm super happy with its coverage. Now, when it comes to the palette, I have used just 2-3 shades. From what I used, I'm very happy with the quality, but I want to use it a little bit more, maybe at my next makeup, because to be honest, like when I saw the neons, I didn't want to use anything else on my face. I almost gonna go and mix these two and create my own highlighter, you know. No, of course I'm joking, but the neons are, you know, have a special place in my heart. So I would definitely recommend you to visit their webpage, which you can find down at my description box. Have a look, especially if you're here in Sweden. They have amazing products and they definitely worth looking. If I had to choose one favorite of today's makeup, actually that was a bad idea because I cannot choose just one. But anyway, I will go with either the neon, because I haven't found this neon anywhere else. It's so good quality, it's so good, you can see it on my eye. Or with this one right here, which is the Cream Camouflage. It covers my dark circles. It can cover anything, absolutely anything. Of course I liked all the other products, but these are my go-to definitely. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed my makeup look. I hope that you liked the brand and what I showed you. Don't forget to check them, they're having amazing stuff. Also, don't forget to like this video if you actually liked it and subscribe to my channel for more makeup look. Also, I have an Instagram page. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni, you can find it down here. There you can find things that I do not really upload here on YouTube, like unboxings, or you can be among the first people who will see some spoilers and other cool stuff. For example, people who followed me on Instagram already know that I have a code with Aden Cosmetics. It's Catlady20. It's gonna be here, whoop, Catlady20. So, if you use this code, you're getting 20% discount, and if you have already followed me on Instagram, you already know by now. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. Until next time, bye bye!